Hey guys, today we're going to do the unboxing and give you guys my impressions of the Razer Anzu smart glasses. So these are a pair of glasses that have built-in speakers and microphones, and also comes with blue light filtering lenses. And I guess they're marketed to people who either work from home, right, which a lot of people do right now because of the pandemic. They can take like video calls and stuff like that using this, or and people who are gaming actually. So the main reason I bought this is actually for gaming, and I'm interested to see how these perform, like, talking to my friends and stuff while we're gaming, because right now, if you want to talk to your friends while you're online gaming, you basically have to get a gaming headset, or you can, use the Blue Yeti microphone or the Razer Siren, one of those USB microphones that you can use to talk with your buddies. The problem with that is that right now I'm using the Blue Yeti Nano microphone. It performs, by itself, it performs very well. You can see the reviews online. They all, praise Blue Yeti and stuff like that. It's a very common microphone for podcasts, but in my personal use case, it's not that great because of my computer. The setup with my computer right now, the fan is constantly on, and it affects the background noise of the mic, and my friends can't really hear me well when we're gaming together. So the other solution would be to get a gaming headset, but for me, I've always been the kind of guy that I don't like to wear over-ear headphones that much. Actually, I'll use over-ear headphones when I'm taking Zoom calls and stuff like that. But it's not really something I want to wear for a very long time, and especially with gaming headsets, usually they're not that comfortable. They're bulky, and really all I care about is the microphone, anyways, because for the sound and stuff like that, I still prefer to listen to speakers. So that's where these Razer Anzu glasses comes in. There are actually other smart glasses on the market. There's the Amazon Echo frames and the Bose frames as well. But these ones I happen to get at a discount from Black Friday. So these retail for $200 US MSRP, but I got them for about $125. Yeah, save some money because of Black Friday deals. And I really want to test this out, especially for the microphone, because all the reviews I read, I'm not expecting really good sound quality out of these. Of course, I don't even expect them to be as good as the gaming headsets in terms of sound, and how can they be, because there's small drivers and stuff like that. I don't expect the sound quality of this to be that good, and I'm not using this for sound anyways, because I'm probably just going to be using my speakers. I am going to be using this for the microphone though, so that's the main thing, is because right now my USB mic, like I said, the fan noise in the background kind of picks that up too much, and it's sitting right beside my computer. I can't really move it far away because it has to be tied to my computer. So yeah, I'm hoping that the mic on this is good, and this is a lot lighter. It's a lot more comfortable to wear compared to a gaming headset. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll just pick this up, right, and see how it works out. So yeah. It says low latency audio, built-in mic and speakers. The microphone is the one thing I'm interested in for this thing, and plus the blue light filtering is a nice added value as well to protect your eyes from the harmful blue light. So that's something nice little extra I get, and I do want to see if this can really kind of replace a gaming headset in a way. Also comes with polarized lenses, so you can turn these into sunglasses. That I don't care about so much, since I already have my Gentle Monsters for going outside. Anyways, visionary sound, built-in mics, touch enabled, voice assistant compatible, so you can use this for Google Assistant, I guess. Or I'm not sure about Siri or Amazon Echo, but anyways, seems like for Google Assistant it should work. Low latency audio, IPX4 design. More than 5 hours battery life. Yeah, none of the gaming. I'm going to use this mostly for gaming, so well, I guess I could use this for video conferencing too, but yeah. Right now the main, yeah, I guess for video conferencing will be interesting as well. So yeah, gaming, video conferencing, I guess I'll try this out. Blue light filtering lenses, okay. Cool. So, it comes with 2 sets of lenses. I wonder how you swap them out. Okay, so that tells you what's inside. Let's see what you get inside here. Alright, 2 boxes here. First box, open it up, scan a QR code. I think you need an app for this. You need to download an app. Okay, these are the extra pairs of, I'm guessing these are the polarized lenses. So I'm not going to be using these, since I'm not going to be using these as sunglasses, but you do have the polarized lens, so that's some extra value here, right? Because you're not just getting a pair of glasses for at-home use. You can use them as sunglasses too when you go outside. So there's some value add. And then let's the main box. The lenses that come by default should be the blue light filtering lenses. Oh, look at that nice pouch. It's a nice leatherette pouch. Not real leather, of course, but leatherette. Okay, so here's a quick start guide. Okay, so charging, actually you had to connect 2 magnetic connectors to it for charging. I wonder why they couldn't make it just one, to connect 2. Pair it with your phone, install the app. Okay. It's kind of annoying that we're so tied to our phone these days, we have to install apps just to get something working with, you know, something that's not our smartphone. Just to get it working with the computer, I still gotta install the app. Okay, so it comes with the cleaning cloth, microfiber. Alright, Razer Anzu, you're about to get a smarter kind of eyewear. And the CEO is actually pretty cool. He actually posts stuff on Facebook, he interacts with people and stuff like that. So I do like the Razer CEO, Min Liang Tan. Yeah, he's a really cool CEO because he actually interacts with fans constantly online. Not like most CEOs, right? They just stay in their little ivory castle, but not him. Alright, this is a quick start guide, I believe. Yeah, so pairing options. So this is Bluetooth, of course. I don't think it's aptX, but I don't care about that. But if you do care about the sound of these glasses, I don't think it's going to be very high quality Bluetooth. It's probably just going to be SBC. I don't think it's going to be aptX. Yeah. So yeah, you're not going to get very good sound quality out of these. And if you read any review, like if you really do care about sound quality, just go for a gaming headset, or even better, go for an actual like non-gaming headset and just connect it wired. That's probably the best way to do it. Get a pair of Sennheisers or Beyerdynamics or Audio Technicas and use a USB DAC and connect that to the computer. That's going to be the best sound quality. Gaming headsets are kind of a compromise already. It's really compromising the sound quality by giving you something with a mic built in and stuff like that. And then these are even further compromised because they're glasses. And yeah, you charge them like this. Okay, auto shut off. Gaming mode, which should give you less latency, I'm guessing. So the gaming mode should give you less latency. We'll see about that. Hopefully the microphone is going to be good. I'll have to test that out. Alright, so nice leather case pouch. Okay. And here are the glasses. Anything else in here? Yep, you get the charging cables in here. So these charge kind of the same way a smartwatch would charge, which is with these magnetic inductors, looks like. And then here's the it's USB-A, no USB-C. So, alright. Kind of wish it was USB-C, but yeah. And these are the glasses, and I got the large size. You can get them in a few different settings. So you can get these glasses in either the round shape or the rectangle shape. I chose the rectangle shape, and you can get them in medium size or large size. And this is large size. So this is a large size rectangle. So this is what it looks like. Comes with these blue light filtering lenses by default. You see that it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it looks like a normal pair of glasses from the front. On the back, you can see how thick the arms are on these glasses. You can't stretch them out, which is nice, right? If you have a wide head, it can accommodate that. Bluetooth it has touch controls, right? You can swipe, use gestures and stuff like that to play music, or I guess should be similar to like these Bluetooth headphones these days, right? Use touch controls, you swipe it and stuff like that. Man, I've not used one of these smart glasses since I got the Google Glass way back in 2013. So this is going to be a throwback for me to use these touch controls on a glass product. Going to giving me Google Glass vibes. But yeah, you use touch controls here. It looks like that's the microphone here, the omnidirectional microphone. Hopefully that's good as advertised. And yeah, I'm not expecting too much from the speakers, but you can't even really see them, can you? Yeah, maybe not. Maybe these are the speakers. Maybe maybe this one's a microphone. I don't know. But anyways, the speakers are not too big, obviously. So don't expect great sound quality out of these. These are meant to be, for me, a more comfortable alternative to gaming headsets. But it's not going to equal, you know, really, it's not going to be the same as a gaming headset. It's just going to be a more comfortable, lighter alternative, I think. in my opinion. It's going to help with the blue light as well. So that's a nice extra. Here's the magnetic charging at the bottom as well. So that's it. All right, now I'm gonna test it out by playing some games with my friends. I'm using my Razer glasses now.
What's that help with? What's it do?
It's basically like a lighter headset, I guess. It has a microphone, speakers.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. Supposedly the microphone's pretty good. I don't know if you hear it well. Alright. Oh shit.
I'm still getting 90 fraps. I have to turn things up.
You should be playing on full res.
No, I cannot do above 1440 on GeForce Now. Oh shit, it's a pig!
That gear.
You motherfucker, pig got me. Fuck, I don't have any bullets. What the fuck?
Yeah, you don't get that many bullets.
Oh hell no! Bullet is on.
Oh
shooting
shit!
is on the ball.
I'm probably the same part you are because that pig just attacked me too.
Yeah, right by the pig.
Oh, like.
Been a while since I used one of these.
Grapple kid.
We cannot collect pig? Okay, wild hog meat. Just collect automatically.
Yeah, get the meat. Supposedly there's a lot of alligators in this game.
Yeah, it's only meat.
People shot to death. Get as far away as you
Oh,
can from the
unskippable
sun.
cutscene.
All of you.
I said, are you the only survivor?
Revolution
Sí.
order.
Swore in Bolivar won't say.
Even though there is.
Pedro Abismo.
That's all you have to say. You're here. That's all matters.
I have a link.
Just a second, I'm
Is
getting the
my
head.
Elections,
audio
free
quality coming in good?
expression, Free the outcasts. Ayara free.
Yeah, obviously it's good.
So days.
Okay.
Legal
Yeah, I'm using the
exchange.
glasses, the mic on the glasses.
It's probably not as good as like normal mic, but yeah.
Six burned out gas.
Yeah, I can't use the blue light Yeti because it's like too close to my fan, so you just end up hearing the
I'll
fan.
show
That's why I had to use the glasses.
you. Ir a tobacco plantation, snatch some fuel, and go home.
Rocket time. Oh shit, you gotta equip the flamethrower. Oh yeah, flamethrower. That's what I want. Alright. Time to hear the screaming. Oh no, he just died. No screaming. He just immediately died. What the heck? It's like flame retardant or something. It's like flame retardant. Dead. Down. Oh. Oh, down. Alright, so here's my impressions of these glasses, the Razer Anzu. Overall, I think they're maybe even a little bit better than I expected because I actually didn't expect the sound to be that good. And it's, to be fair, it's not like wearing like full size over your headphones or anything like that. It's definitely not like that. But it's definitely like for gaming and stuff, it's definitely durable. And for gaming, like you don't really need to have really good a sound anyways because like it's just ambient music and sound effects and stuff like that, and you just hear your like friend's voice and stuff like that, so you don't really need like really high fidelity sound. So I think for that purpose, just for gaming, it's pretty nice. I wouldn't use this for music, of course, but yeah, just for playing games, I think these glasses are fine. The sound is very adequate for that. The microphone supposedly is very good. You could hear my friend saying that you can hear me pretty clearly. It's not as good as a Blue Yeti Nano or anything, or you know, the Razer Siren or a dedicated mic or anything like that, or even the creative mics I think are pretty nice too. But yeah, it's not like those kind of mics or anything. Those are actually like dedicated mics, but I do think that it's probably as good as some of the headset mics that you would buy. So yeah, I think it's not too bad at all. So for the omnidirectional mics, and definitely better than like a built-in mic or a webcam mic, right? So yeah, it's not bad. The blue light filter, of course, very nice. It protects your eyes and stuff, so you can game for a while. And I think it's like the touch controls. You have that. You can pair with it easily. I think all you have to do is like to turn it on. There's no on button. You just basically fold it. Actually, you have to fold it down a certain way. Yeah, there we go. So you have to fold it this way. If you fold it this way, it turns off, and then you open it up like this. Yeah, then it's yeah, and now it's automatically connects. Like once you unfold it, and then fold it down, then it's disconnected. So yeah, that's it. And then just gonna charge it now. Keep in mind this only has 5 hours of battery life, so charge it like this, and yeah, I think that should be good. And then you see the LEDs and stuff here. So that's it, the Razer Anzu glasses, which I think will now be my new headset, basically, replacement for playing games and stuff. And yeah, those are my impressions of the Razer Anzu. Thanks for watching.